I'm Tim Holton, owner of James K. Holton Incorporated. We are a renovation company in Cochranville, Pennsylvania. We specialize in additions and renovations, mostly in the residential spectrum. My dad started the company in 1991. He was previously a carpenter and a log home builder, and then in 2015 I bought the company and have been running it ever since. So this project, this is a log house built in the late 1970s. It's basically about a 2,600 square foot house on here, just a 3-bedroom, I believe, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So the original bathroom upstairs that we remodeled, it was basically from the beginning. There might have been some remodels done to it, but nothing major. So we were doing a full gut on this project, taking it from start to finish and basically just bringing the 1970s bathroom up to present day standards. I would say right now 50% of our remodels have electric radiant heat. That number is definitely growing. We see that happening more and more. Most people like the option of being able to put the electric radiant into the bathrooms, and I would say that right now we still are probably at 50%, but that number keeps growing with each bathroom that we do. We've done a lot of different types of radiant heat. I would say that the SunTouch is a very easy to install system. We've done a lot of different staple down and different types of methods that I don't feel has worked as well as what we're able to do with this product. A lot of times we do a lot of small sunrooms or small additions like that, and it's a great source of warmth for the room. I won't necessarily say that it will heat the entire room. We usually use it as a supplemental heat to the project, but it's really nice. I generally recommend it if we're going to do a larger space, anywhere from 150 to 300 square foot range additions that we would do. All of our customers love it when we install the heat mat underneath of there. It's something that you can't see, but it's something that you can definitely feel, and it just takes the cold out of the tile floors. We just love putting the SunTouch product in all of our renovations. Having the thermostat there that you're able to just dial it up to have the warm floors in there. You can dial it back if you don't need it, but just having the ability to have warm floors when you get out of the shower or walk into a bathroom makes it feel so much nicer in there, and it's something that we try to include on most of our projects.